Growing up as a pastor's kid, I always heard about God, but still thought He was distant. Thinking that God didn't care for me, I did whatever I wanted to do that I think will make me happy. It led me to many bad decisions and vices, only making me more lonely. Can't imagine kung anong magiging buhay ko sa ngayon kung nagpatuloy ako sa ganitong pamumuhay. Mabuti na lang, a friend of mine invited me to join with him sa Elevate Youth Service, and there, I surrendered my life to Jesus. I learned to read the Bible, joined a D group, and realized God was never distant. He cares for me and loves me. He doesn't want me to do whatever I want to do because He wants what's best for me. Today, I'm a full-time missionary serving in Elevate and Sports Ministry with my wife. Together, we minister to young people who are lost. Dati ako yung student na pasaway. But by God's grace, tinawag ako ng Diyos to reach out campuses and students na makakilala at mahalin si Lord. Kahit gaano man kasama ang mga nagawa mo in the past or gaano man kasama ang tingin mo sa sarili mo, God can still use you for His glory. Truly, there are no limits to where God's faithfulness will take you.